feel like James Brown. What? But yeah. Okay. I don't have to tell y'all how they came for Blue Ivy. A baby. A child. And she told all y'all to shut the hell up. And that's what we gonna do. What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl, Mika Lynn. Here we are, baby. And if you are like me, you sweat in your head, you don't want your lace lifting, and you want a carefree unit that is summer approved, baby, I hope I have the wig for you. Bars. So before we get into this video, make sure you are subbed to the channel, share, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, big thank you to CurlsCurls. Let's go ahead and get into this unit. The name is Kiara. Okay, so let me go ahead and adjust myself here accordingly. Now, I do have my hair pretty much prepped. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Now, this is a full cap unit, baby. So, I'm hoping we have, yes, a winner chicken dinner. I'm going to go ahead and put my cap back on, and we're going to get a first impression of this unit straight out of the pack. You are seeing the cap fit, the cap construction right now on camera. It does have an elastic band in the back, which I think I'm really going to appreciate for this unit, because with it not being a lace frontal, we definitely want it to, we want that secure fit, baby. We want her hunkered down. Hello. Okay. Woo-hoo. Okay. Okay. Look at this, y'all. Look. Okay. Okay, I know it looks a mess right now, but we gonna do it. We gonna make it do what it do, baby. So it does have the bangs up front, which I think is going to be really, 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 really cute. I love the length on here. It's not too long, not too short. You could go shorter. They do have different length options for this unit. Let me go ahead and take this out of my face. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Okay. Now, my plan is to not use any leave out, but we're going to see how that goes, because I might have to, you know, take it back some, just blend out my hair, whatever it may be. I'm thinking we may go right here. Yeah. And I really want to incorporate the bangs, but of course they are too long, so those will have to be cut. But yeah. Okay. Okay, so check it. There's one thing that I do wish this unit had. I will save that for the review portion of this video. If you're interested in the chapter selections, always click in the description box. Boom. Take it right there, baby. Now, of course, obviously, I'm not done with this style. I do have something in mind particular for this unit. First and foremost, I am going to go ahead and push this back a little bit. And I think I'm going to use some leave out for this style. This is going to be off the whim. I had something else in mind for this review. And then I was watching the NBA game and excuse me? Did Miss Blue Ivy come to shut down and tell all the haters to shut the hell up? So I think this is just such a gorgeous look on her. If you have not seen the picture, then I definitely implore you to go ahead and check out the internet, baby. This is Beyonce's internet, and we are just living in it, okay? So I am going to go ahead and put some curls in this, and hopefully we can get that Blue Ivy inspired look, because baby, I don't have to tell y'all how they came for Blue Ivy, a baby, a child. And she told all y'all to shut the hell up. And that's what we gonna do. Listen, what we thinking, baby? Am I giving you Blue Ivy type of tease in the fifth dimension? Yes, listen. Now, as you saw, I did go in with my hot comb, just applied it to get kind of like the poofiness out of this unit. Now, keep in mind, straight out of the box, it is going to have those bends in it. I did not use my flat iron specifically because I wanted this to give all natural fluff girl type of vibe, baby, and I think we are there. I did follow up with my wand curler. Now this is by TIGI, and this is their bedhead wand curler. I have this set to 430 degrees, baby. She is sizzling. The highest heat is definitely needed for these curls to hold in place. I did use whatever oil I had within arm's reach, and it happened to be the castor oil that you saw in the beginning of this video. And then I followed up with this spray, baby. This is Bay right here. I got a couple of Bays, and this is my cheap Bay. This is my dollar Bay. So I picked this up from Dollar Tree for $1. Listen, when I discovered this, I cleaned them out, and they have not restocked since. So sorry. But this definitely came through in the clutch. I just sprayed it, put some heat to it, held the curls in place to kind of lock in that style, sprayed it again, and then you let them drop, and bam, boing. Now the curls have fallen just a little bit, and I'm okay with that. I mean, you know, I didn't want to give like SpongeBob type of tease. Now I did leave some hair out at the top. Keep in mind, this is a machine made unit, and baby, listen, Kiara, I have this unit in 16 inches, and she comes in at $179, period. Now, of course, that does not count the shipping and handling and etc, etc, etc. But listen, for under $200, you get your unit. You don't have to worry about any lace, nothing lifting, and it looks so freaking natural. I am using the elastic band in the back, and baby, listen, this cap fits like a glove. It is so comfortable. Not loving Hip Hop Fight Reunion ready, but she's comfortable. But yeah, I think the only thing I wish this unit had is definitely either a lace part or at least a skin top part. They did do like the little old school circular closure at the crown of this unit, but all of this right here is tracks. Now, with this texture, ain't nobody gonna clock you. Ain't nobody gonna clock you. Unless they like 8 feet tall and they looking down on your head and they got a magnifying glass. Whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, so I'm definitely sold. I think the unit came out beautifully. If you are interested in checking out any of the items that are my must-haves, definitely check my Amazon storefront. I'll have the wand curler there. I'll have the rave spray. Even my makeup. I know a lot of you ask. All of that stuff will be listed in my Amazon storefront, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Big thank you to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out their unit, definitely hit up the link down below. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Do hit that subscribe button and share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Drop me a comment down below. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.